How to use voice changer in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file or recording you want to change by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio is loaded, go to the Effects tab located on the top toolbar. From the list of effects, find the voice option, and from the drop-down, click on Voice Change. A new window will open with different voice changing options such as pitch change, semitones, scenes, as well as presets like male, female, child, old man, and many more. You can adjust the sliders to change pitch and speed manually, or choose from the presets to quickly apply a voice effect. Use the preview button to listen to the changes before applying them. Once you are satisfied with the voice effect, click Apply to add it to your audio file. Finally, save your edited file by clicking on File and then Save As to keep the original audio safe. And that's it. Now you know how to use the voice changer in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.